Happy World Water Day. 1. Drinking water at the end or in the middle of a meal is like drinking poison. 2. Water should be drunk after at least 1.5 hours. 3. The eaten food remains under the influence of gastric fire for 1.5 hours. 4. Drink water first thing in the morning without washing your teeth. 5. Drinking water sip by sip will increase the amount of saliva in the stomach. Then it will help in calming the acid, which will keep your stomach neutral. 6. Drink water while sitting instead of standing, as it is better absorbed by your body. 7. Drink water which is warm or at room temperature. Never drink cold water directly from the fridge because cold water dampens your digestive fire. 8. Use clay pots or copper or at least steel to store water. 9. Never drink running water. Always drink water which is stored. 10. Rainwater is best. You can drink this water comfortably for 1 year without adding any chemical. Thanks for watching.